Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to deploy an Omniscript in Salesforce. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So first, make sure that you have OmniStudio in your app launcher or in your organization so you can start creating your Omniscripts. So basically in the app launcher, see if you have OmniStudio. If you don't have, you will need to install the package. So you can simply type OmniStudio releases and then you can start installing the package in your or into your organization. And basically those are all the OmniStudio releases. You will need just to go and choose any OmniStudio and then you will need just to click on production package. You'll log into your organization and then you will need to install the package. After that, you will be able to access OmniStudio. So as you can see, you will need just to have OmniStudio that will be installed in your into your organization, and then you will need to access it from your app launcher. So from there, you can go to app launcher, search for OmniStudio, and then you will be able to create new OmniScripts. So when you click on the OmniScripts, you will need just to add all the information, the type of this script, the subtype, the name, and the language. After that, you will have the OmniScripts that will be created, and basically it will be active, which means deployed. So now you can start adding steps to your script, so you can add any scripts that you would like, so either to navigate to actions, add some account details, etc., etc. And you will need just to start modifying on your OmniScript. So basically that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.